Peterborough rat rebate. Come to check on the stations. We've got something that's been hanging out on top of here. This dirt wouldn't be here without animals or rodents. Okay, what do we have here? We've got some stations that need to be revamped. So these are all been rotated already, so we can take these out. Put brand new ones in. Rat kebab. This bait's still good in there. Okay, so some bait still in there, minor feeding. Try and put those towards the front so we can tell if there's been new feeding or not. This one might have had more feeding. I can see some tracks on top. Okay. Put some new bait on there. Click it in, pop it down. Very minor feeding on this. So in this instance, there's a lot of bait left. We're gonna rotate this like that. And then we'll know if there's new feeding next time without having to waste bait.